What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. If there isn't any work done, then there can be no transfer of energy. There are two types of energy: stored potential energy and working kinetic energy. Potential energy is the energy of a body or a system with respect to the position of the body or the arrangement of the particles of the system. Kinetic energy is the energy that a body possesses by virtue of being in motion. There are different forms of energy: heat, light, motion, electrical, chemical, nuclear, and gravitational. The greatest example of heat is the sun. The sun gives off heat waves, which is energy. It is considered energy because it can be transferred. The reason as to why the sun is an example is because it gives off heat, and when in contact with an object, it gives it energy. Light is an example of energy because it emits heat, and heat is also energy. Light gives off radiant waves, which is also energy, and can be transferred to other objects. A car is an example of energy in motion. It takes energy to move the car. Once it begins to slow down, energy is also being released. Lightning is an example of electrical energy in nature, but you'll need to understand how lightning is formed. Lightning occurs when the negative charges, electrons, in the bottom of the cloud are attracted to the positive charges, protons, in the ground. Batteries, biomass, petroleum, natural gas, and coal are examples of chemical energy. Chemical energy is converted to thermal energy when people burn wood in a fireplace or burn gasoline in a car's engine. Atoms themselves are made up of three particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Nuclear energy is energy in the core of an atom. Neutrons do not have an electrical charge. Protons are positive electrical charges and electrons are negative electrical charges. The bonds can be broken through nuclear fusion. This energy can be used to produce electricity. Hydropower plant is another example of gravitational energy. Gravity forces water down through a hydroelectric turbine to produce electricity.
Created using Powtoon.